Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there is a big news, a big breaking news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has started sending immediate onboarding, immediate joining document checklist. That means TCS has project and they are in need of employee, and that's the reason this immediate onboarding or immediate joining readiness survey has started. Friend, trust me, this is first time I am seeing. So after sending the offer letter, in very few days this onboarding and joining process has started. Okay, also friends, if you'll see this image you will be getting the complete clarity, right? So TCS document checklist for immediate onboarding, NQT FY 2024, and date 22nd of July 2024, today's date, right? Okay, so friends, before I proceed further, this is TCS confidential. TCS confidential means you are not going to share with anyone, only I will share with you, right? So TCS confidential. And don't forget to like the video, friends. We really put a lot of effort, so please appreciate the effort by just liking the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will be getting permanent updates. Okay, now so let us read once more. So TCS document checklist for immediate onboarding, NQT FY. TCS confidential, dear candidate. So because this is TCS confidential, we have also removed the name and all from here. To confirm the joining readiness request, right? To confirm the joining readiness request to fill the survey for the list of documents to be checked before the next course of action. Friends, those who will be having the required documents ready, asked in this Google form, they will be getting the onboarding and joining soon, right? So ultimately they will start working, soon, and they will start earning soon. Okay, fine. Next page, if you will see, so TCS NQT joining readiness survey. Are you ready to join TCS? So right, so July 2024, 3:23 p.m. TCS confidential. Dear aspirants, greetings from TCS. We are sharing a Google link to capture your joining readiness. Kindly respond this email to 6 p.m. Alright. So all these emails you can see July 2024. That means latest one. I'm not showing you the previous one. Okay. Now, so friends, why this immediate joining and how this immediate onboarding TCS is starting? So we will understand little bit about that, right? So when TCS is service based company, right? So TCS is service based company. See, other companies like, so there is two types of companies, service based and product based. So if we talk about product based company, then you can say, sir, Apple is a product based company, right? Apple means iPhone, right? So Apple manufactures iPhone, that means Apple is a product based company. But TCS is a service based company. We do not have any mobile with TCS which manufactures, or any product which TCS manufactures, right? Okay, then what happens, what TCS does now? So friends, suppose Apple, so they, right, so they need, suppose, something to be done in mobile, some software or something, right? Okay, then what they will come to TCS, please get it done, I will pay you 50,000 rupees per employee. Okay, per employee, right? Now, and why? See, Apple has very good engineers, so why they are not doing it by themselves? Because the cost per employee is more, right? So you know, they are $100, and here how much it is? 8,000 rupees, right? So instead of 100, suppose there, if they are paying 1 lakh rupees, then here they have to pay only 50,000. Now TCS will suddenly wake up, where is candidates, right? So now they will, if they are offering 50,000, then they will hire candidates and then they will pay them 23,000 rupees. If they will say that I will pay you 5 lakhs rupees per employee, okay, then what they will do, then they will bring the candidates and them they will pay 65,000 rupees, and rest of the monies they will keep it for TCS high level, I mean, CEO, this, that, and all these people, like high level people, will be getting it, right? So this is how the company works. And now suppose TCS has project. That the reason TCS told, okay, we have project and we have also done with the hiring, offer letter is already given. So let's see how many of them has all the documents, because TCS works on ethics or works on right. So with all these datas only they will be able to hire you, right? So all the no backlogs, all the documents ready, which we will be seeing in the next field, right? So that's how companies, service based company works. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Now, so friends, you will be shared one Google link here, because it's a confidential. Because it's confidential, so we have also removed the hidden the link here. Now if you click on the link, okay, then what will happen? So this particular page will open, and here you have to put the details correctly. So first thing is email, it will automatically take once you will open your email. Then TCS reference ID, this you will be also getting from your offer letter. Full name of the candidate, right? So you have to put your full name of the candidate. Now next page, if you'll see, then only last 4 digit of your Aadhaar card, right? So Aadhaar card's 12 digits, so last 4 digit you put. Name as per Aadhaar card, because they also know the candidate which I am hiring, so they have their full name different, right? So they have their full name different, and they have different name on Aadhaar card, right? They have different name on PAN card, they have different name on their 10th 12th certificates, right? So they also knows, okay, we have to bear with them. Date of birth as per Aadhaar card, because again in certificate it is different. Highest qualification, BE, BTech, diploma. Please fill it very very carefully, because this will decide your joining very fast, and very soon. 10th marks, 10th standard marks it available? Yes, available. Okay. 10th standard certificate available? Yes, available, right? 12th available? Yes, available. 12th standard certificate available? Yes, available. All the documents I have, right? Okay. First semester graduation mark sheet? Yes, sir. Original copy issued by college, not applicable, direct second year admission, because if you have done diploma, right, then you will be getting for second year. Second semester graduation, third semester graduation, fourth semester graduation mark sheet, okay. Then next page if you'll go, so everything, yes, available, okay. Please, next page. Stuck, right? So see, okay now. So provisional degree certificate, UG degree certificate, course completion, provisional degree certificate, UG degree, whatever you have, you put. Bona fide letter. What is this bona fide letter? So friends, in your 4 years, how was your behavior? Your college will give you a certificate. This student is very good, very intelligent, very hardworking. That is what your bona fide certificate, right? Okay. And then all marks sheet for diploma, if candidates eligible, otherwise select no. Okay, then diploma completion certificate if applicable, so yes or no you have to enter. Okay, then PAN card availability, yes. Passport availability, if you don't have passport, is very much required for TCS joining, get it. Okay, birth certificate, birth affidavit, I have told you many times, no, get this certificate affidavit done as soon as possible. All available mark sheet for postgraduate degree, yes. Okay, now next page. So okay, PG course completion certificate, if yes, then so candidate available for immediate joining, 100 times, yes, 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 no need. One time also if we'll do, it will take. University name, anyway if you are getting an email, that means your university is eligible, right? Okay, and then okay, and then end semester examination approximate date of completion. So if it is already completed, you put that already completed. Result, see, anyway if you will put previous date, that means it is completed. Result publishing date, that is also done, man. University result publishing date, that is also done. Click on submit, that's all done. So you are ready for joining. And friend, this is a wonderful opportunity, because earlier we have seen lot of delay in the onboarding joining, but now TCS has taken a step ahead, and they are going to onboard you as soon as possible. It's a good news for all of you. Take care, all the very very best. Don't forget me, right? So be with it, 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 so